Mae'r arddangosfa yma ydy cyfnod ola o'r prosiect Yma Ac Acw sydd wedi bod yn cymryd rhan ym Bangor ers mis Ionawr. Da ni wedi bod yn weithio efo dau ysgolion, Ysgol Hirael, Bangor ac Ysgol y Faenol, efo plant yn 10 oed, blwyddyn 5, ond hefyd blwyddyn 4 a 6 yn Ysgol y Faenol, ac cydnewid straeon efo pobl hŷn. So the exhibition today is the final stage of a project, an exciting community arts project, Yma Ac Acw, that's been taking place in Bangor between January and today. And we've been working on an exchange of stories between primary school children, 2 primary schools, Ysgol Hirael and Ysgol Faenol, and older people, some of whom have moved here and settled here originally from other parts of the world. So the project has been an exchange of stories on the theme of when we were small, and various community artists have been working with all the groups involved on recreating these stories as pieces of visual art, poems, music, songs, and so on.
I'm Sean, I'm from Year 5 Ysgol Hirael, and I'm showing you about my work. My work is about, say now, if you was like playing with your friends and you might not like, if a friend might not want to be your friend no more, so that's why the ball hits the flower, but then another seed will fly into the ground, so then you'd make a friend or go back with that friend.
My name's Hirael, I'm from Ysgol Hirael and I'm in Year 5 and I'm going to show you my work. This is my work and it's about a journey through a river, and this is a foggy day, this is a rainy day, and this is the sand here, and the waterfalls in the ocean. So that's the end of the river journey.
What do you think of the whole project? What do you think of all the art?
I think it's fantastic, and I think it's colourful as well.
Do you think it shows Bangor?
Yeah.